Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, Saturday, June the 12th, 2021. We have two puzzles left, tectonic and a binary. I will do the binary puzzle first, and tomorrow I will do the rest of the puzzles in this puzzle page, in this additional. But first we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 2938. Yes. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Here we have also 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Then, yeah, come on, then. How about, I think I need to compare. Yeah, look, this row and that row. Look to the ones. Well, we have 1 1 1 1. Here also 1 1. So I can place the 1 there or here. If I place the 1 there, then I have identical rows. So the 1 should be here and the O should be there. Okay, 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Then, yeah. Let me see. This last column and that column. Empty box. Oh, 1 1 1 1. Oh, 1 1. Empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Alright. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Okay. 3. 1 2 3. Okay. 3. Alright. Here, between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have here the first O, the second O, the third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Alright. Between two ones comes an O. Okay. Then I need to compare, I think I need to compare the columns. Yeah. Do I need to compare the columns? No, I cannot compare the columns. 10. Yeah. This column and that column. 0011 0011 empty box 11. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Finish in 5 minutes. All right. Great. By the way, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds, with the last puzzle of today. Yes, of this additional. Will be a tectonic with 4 stars, so prepare for this one. See you then. Bye bye for now.